Here we have this beautiful Dawn Redwood. Now, this Dawn Redwood is going to find a new home. This new home is going to be its new pot. But we got to find the new pot. So, we're going back to Brussels. No, not that Brussels. This Brussels. So about 10 years ago, Stuart planted these trees in his backyard. And he didn't really know what to do with them. He planted 24 of these things. And when it was time to dig them up, he selected this one and gave it to me. I think some days he wished he would have kept it himself. But the tree grew and it looked amazing. And then I gave it its first trim and it looked like that. But now it's actually filled out and looks like this. Now it's time to get it in its first bonsai pot. I'm not entirely sure why I look like this, but evidently driving across Mississippi does something to a guy. All right, we finally made it. We have two goals today. We're gonna check out all the bonsai that they have here and see all the displays. And two, we're gonna find a pot for our Dawn Redwood. This is my second time being here. Again, seeing this place is kind of without words to describe how massive this place is and how big of selection you have. So as we kind of look through what all they have, a lot of this stuff is kind of beginner material that you were looking at. They do have some really exquisite pieces here that you've probably seen already. But our main goal here is to find a pot for the redwood. So I believe there's some pots over here. So let's go over here and take a look. Yeah, here we go. We got all the pots we need here. I kind of like this one here. That's 20. That'd be a good size, and the thickness is nice. And I believe we want unglazed. That one might be a little bit too like the width of it is not quite. I don't know if I want a square or an oval. Now they got a bunch of squares over here. See, wow, okay, maybe some of these ovals look really good.
I like that a lot right there. Yeah, we'll definitely have to get some of these. That one's definitely a good contender. Let's see. Don't know if I want an oval like that. I think a square pot is probably gonna be our best bet. That might be, I think that might be a little too small for our needs. Let's see. This one's 18. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're going to find the others. There was a group of people from the Bonsai Society that were coming up here. Let me go see if I can find them, and then I'm gonna pick out 3 pots, and we'll see what we can figure out would be the best one for the Dawn Redwood. All right, so I've selected these 3 pots right now and trying to figure out which one would be the best size. I like this one with the rim, but I like the feet on this one. I'm not sure about this one. This one, I think this one could be taken out. So we got these 2. There's one over here. So as you can see, we got all these pots to choose from here. Which one is it? What was the one I was looking at? I think it was, might be this one, like this style here. Let me maybe, or one like this. So maybe. Okay. So these are the 3 I picked out. I want to choose which one of those 3 up top would you think would be?
How many?
It's the base of the tree is 6 inches, and the depth of the base of the tree is roughly 6 inches. Width of the tree, yeah.
It's 6 inches.
Yeah. So those are 18s. So now, you think that one down there?
Mm-hmm.
So you don't like any of these up here?
I think they're fine, but they're not big enough.
You don't think the 18 is going to be big enough?
Well, I'll tell you what we do. We'll go down to one of those bald cypress, and we'll hold the pots up to it, and you decide.
Okay.
Because they're bigger and more size appropriate. I'm thinking the size. I don't think you can even fit it in there, can you?
Yeah.
You sure? You got
So
the ball that
so the box right now that it's in is 18 inches.
All right, and these are what?
18.
Oh, okay. And it's 6 inches.
Yeah.
And this looks like about 4.
Yeah. So that's why I don't know how shallow it should be or what.
Usually it should be equal to 6. The diameter equals the height.
Yeah.
Approximately. I mean, you can. I just think the tree's going to overwhelm.
Okay.
It's taller.
Okay.
And it's thicker. So I tell you what. Let's take that one and this one. We'll put it by a both sides.
Well, what about these 2?
Well, we'll take them all. Okay, let's take them all. Let's load it up. Come on, get something to hold it up there. Well, let's see. Here we go.
Let's see if there's any. Actually, maybe this one would be a better. Actually, this one's probably closer to it.
You think it's that small? And you said 6 inches in diameter, right?
Yeah, at the base. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little bit. That's about 6.5.
Yeah.
Let me look that over. Gosh, I think yours is bigger than that.
You think it's bigger than that?
I think so.
Yeah. You would think I would know.
The way I remember it. Okay, so we can turn it that way, and you can get a.
Or you can just
Here.
yeah, pull it. Yeah, you can pull it down. Pull it down. Yeah, like that.
And maybe come back over this way. And look down like that. Okay, so you get eye level. And see how that looks.
Oh yeah.
And you're not even seeing roots, that's just the pure diameter.
Yeah.
Alright, let me stick the other one up there.
All right.
No Nabari showing. Also, this one's maybe a little bit red. Too red for it.
Okay.
Let's take a look and see. It's a little delicate. And I like the darker color. The red, it's taking my eye
Mhm.
away from the tree to the pot.
I got you.
So it's not earthy enough or dark enough. I think the red is too red for it,
All right.
in my opinion.
Okay. Well,
Let me swap
again,
it
you've
out.
been doing it way longer than I have, so.
Let's do it one more time. I really like this pot. There was the only one left, wasn't
Yeah, I think so. It might be a sign.
it?
That might be our sign.
Yeah. So
Because it also caught my eye when
So,
I was looking at them.
I think that matches the tree so much better.
Yeah.
I think the other one is way too delicate
Okay.
and too red. I think you need a masculine pot. You
Okay.
still got the curved edges, but no ridge.
Gotcha.
But you've got the two vertical lines on each side. I think that's a much better pot.
Okay.
Right?
Well.
And if you don't want it, I'll buy it from you. And if it doesn't work, then you can get the other pot.
No, I think that will. I think that'll
What you
work.
could do is, I could buy one and you buy one, and then you try both of them. And then
I
you give me what's left.
No, I'm not going to do that.
Yeah, you could.
No, we're not doing that. We will.
You buy that one, I'll buy this
No,
one.
no.
And
I'm
if
gonna
you like
I'm
this
gonna
one
I'm gonna buy.
better-
It's my tree. It's my tree. I will buy the pot. It's my tree.
I'm
I will.
not saying you're not buying the pot.
But I want to buy the pot for
Okay,
the tree.
well, it's
So
there's
that
no debate.
that one.
That one
Okay. That one is
And
the
of course,
pot.
Isn't it? Don't you get 20% off?
Maybe.
Well, I know you do.
Oh, okay. Well then,
So let's see. How much was it?
60,
165.
65, 68, something like that.
$132.
Okay. That's about what I was willing to spend.
All right.
All right. Sounds good.
All right.
Well, we got our
Got a
pot.
decision.